Welcome back to a new video. I will try to make this in English because I know I do have some that don't speak Swedish, so I will try to do this in English. It will be a short video, maybe not with so much talk, but I hope you will understand. He's shooting at me, David. So yeah, we are here all alone in the Hovet and just playing around, trying to learn to skate and shoot some pucks. And Mr. David have the bubble.
Show some respect for the bubble.
But yeah, we are out here and trying to do some shooting and passing and skating. And hope we will get better soon. I hope find some pucks then. You know, today we only speak English. Yeah, so English. Yes, me too. Cling! Puck out! I need to move you guys more in the middle so you can see us. Or you won't be able maybe to see so much. And then it's boring. So we need to put you out in the middle. Hopefully this will work. I put the camera down here. And then you can see everywhere where we are. Ah! Skating backward is not fun. Snapshot right in the bar. Jag kan inte träffa. I can't hit because the camera is on. So time for a little Celsius break that I have on cooling here. Now the rest is over and back to the shoot. Give me a puck. I'm just going to shoot it in the bar. Oh, close one. Okay, stand there so I don't shoot you. I can't promise anything. It feels like I'm going to break this club as well. It feels weird to speak English, but I'm used to it now with my work. Not even close. That was bra. It was good. Good job, man.
Good job.
Good practice. Look this. When we started this 6 months ago, I couldn't even get it up. Some on the skating I still have, so I need to practice that. But I don't want to practice it without real armor, because then if I fall I will get hurt. So if we have some teacher out there that want to come and teach us. Now it's time for us to pack it up. We have been here from 17:30 something, so it's time to pack it up and leave. Hope you like it now when I was trying to speak some English for you. And he's out there. We said pack it up. He just want to... Clinging really good when you hit the bar. So yeah. Just to pack it up and go home and take a rest. It's soon, it's over 8, so yeah, we have been here for a while. I came directly after the work because I work close. I will have my microphone on me so you can hear us. He do that, I will help him later with the net, hello, with the goals. We had some audience today up on the stand. Don't know who they were, but maybe the one that's worked at the stores over there. feels like I'm always getting from Hove to the one club less, because every time I shoot too hard, so something is breaking on them. But you can see how everything is changed. We have changed to normal shoes now, so I hope you liked the video. If you did, give a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't do, and I hope you like me speaking some English, and see if we will do it in the future. I hope not, but I need to grow as well, so then I may be talking more English in the future if I get a good response on this one. So this was a short video. Thank you for today. Thank you, David.
Thank you.
He's here.
Thank you.
For letting us play. Always fun. And see you in the next video. Bye.